Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's fun video, I'll be showing you how to draw a recycling truck. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our recycling truck, let's begin with the tire. So I'm going to begin right here and I'm just going to make a circle shape for my tire. Then starting here, I'm going to make the front. So I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out. Then let's draw a line that's going to come straight up. Next, we're going to bring this line up at an angle. Then we're going to bring this over. Then we're going to bring this down and then connect it right to the tire. Now, starting here, I'm going to make this line come up. Then I'm going to bring this line back here. Let's draw this line down at an angle. And then we'll come straight down to about here. Now, let's bring this line across. And then we're going to put two circles back here for tires. So let's draw one tire here. Leave a little bit of space, and then we'll draw the second tire right here. Little line, and then little line to connect. Now, let's draw a line across here for like the bumper part. And then we're going to make a line that's a little bit higher that's going to come across here. We'll draw a line that's going to go over. We're going to come up to here. Then we're going to make a line that's going to go down, over, and then back up and over in like a rectangle shape. We're going to make a little line here and then a small one underneath there. I'm going to make two little skinny rectangle shapes right on top here. Then I'm going to make a little line that's going to come right up here on top. Right here, I'm going to draw a diagonal line, and then another diagonal line here for some detail. Then to draw our arrows, let's just make a little bump like this. Then I'm going to make a line, and I'm going to do that same thing. We'll make two lines with like a triangle shape. This time, let's draw a line. We're going to kind of curve a line here, and then we're just going to curve a line here. We'll make two lines, and then that triangle shape. Let's do one more. We'll draw a line. We'll make that curve and that curve. Two lines, and then a triangle shape. Now on the tires, let's go ahead and make a circle inside each one for like the little rims. And then let's put a little line here on the back and some little curves for some taillights. Then I'm going to make kind of like a skinny triangle shape in here. And I'm going to make a skinny kind of outline of this shape right here for some detail. Then I'm going to make a little rectangle shape here for like a side mirror. And there you go. There is your drawing of a recycling truck. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.